Do you want to learn how to remove account on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So on BlueSky app or website, if you're visiting it via an app, you'll find this on the top left. Click on this and then go to settings. If you're visiting it via an website, on the left, find settings, click on it. And now inside this, click on switch account. Now in switch account, find the account that you want to remove. For example, this one, I will click on these three dots and remove the account from here. Same for the app, click on switch account and then find the account that you want to remove, click on these three dots and remove account, which is going to give you this pop-up which says remove from quick access. It says this will remove this account from the quick access list. Click on remove and that's it. Your account has been removed from quick access. Now this does not completely remove the account from BlueSky. If you want to delete the account, there is another video that I have on my channel. You're going to see it on the right. There will be a playlist. You can find it from there. But for this video, this is how to remove an account on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.